When it comes to survival and self-defense, a reliable folding knife can be a true lifesaver. Unlike fixed blades, these knives combine strength with portability, making them easy to carry while still delivering dependable performance in critical moments. In 2025, folding knives have evolved with tougher steels, smoother deployment systems, and ergonomic designs built for real-world challenges. From everyday preparedness to high-pressure tactical scenarios, the right folder ensures you're never caught off guard. In this list, we explore 10 of the ultimate folding knives that blend durability, innovation, and self-defense capability into one powerful package. The Cold Steel 4 Max Scout is a heavy-duty folding knife built for maximum strength and reliability in the toughest conditions. It features a massive 4-inch stone-washed clip-point blade made from rugged AUS-10A stainless steel, offering excellent toughness, corrosion resistance, and ease of maintenance. Designed for hard use, the blade is paired with Cold Steel's renowned Triad Lock, one of the strongest locking mechanisms in the industry, ensuring unmatched safety during heavy tasks. The handle is crafted from Grivex with stainless steel liners, delivering a secure, ergonomic grip while keeping the knife durable and weather-resistant. Measuring 10 inches overall when open and weighing 10.2 ounces, the 4 Max Scout is a powerhouse that can tackle chopping, cutting, and survival applications with ease. Built for those who demand strength above all else, it's an ideal companion for outdoor survivalists, campers, and anyone needing a folding knife that performs like a fixed blade. The Kershaw Launch is a sleek, American-made automatic knife that blends modern design with rugged functionality. Featuring a 3.4-inch CPM 154 stainless steel blade, it delivers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness, making it suitable for both everyday carry and demanding outdoor tasks. The drop point blade has a durable stone-washed finish that helps hide scratches while reducing glare. With the push of a button, the Launch deploys lightning fast thanks to its smooth automatic action, while a strong push button lock ensures safety and reliability. The handle is crafted from lightweight anodized aluminum, shaped for a secure grip, and designed for all-day carry. At 8.1 inches overall and weighing just 4 ounces, it offers the perfect balance of strength and portability. Backed by Kershaw's precision craftsmanship, the Launch is a dependable choice for self-defense, utility, and anyone seeking a high-performance automatic folder. The CRKT Xolotl is a tactical folding knife designed by renowned custom knife maker Michael Rodriguez of Far Knives. Inspired by traditional fighting blades, it combines speed, strength, and precision in a modern folding design. The Xolotl features a 3.64-inch spear point blade, crafted from 1.4116 stainless steel, offering outstanding edge retention and durability for demanding tasks. Its black oxide finish enhances corrosion resistance while reducing glare, making it ideal for tactical use. The blade deploys quickly via the low-profile flipper tab and runs on IKBS ball bearing pivot system for smooth, rapid action. A liner lock mechanism keeps the blade secure during use, while the textured black G10 handle provides a solid, non-slip grip. At 8.94 inches overall and just 4 ounces, the Xolotl is lightweight yet built for serious performance. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, it's a formidable folder that delivers both functionality and combat-ready style. The Knife Roxi 3 is a premium folding knife that blends modern design with top-tier performance. Designed by custom knife makers Todd and Mark Frommier of Todd Knife and Tool, it's built for everyday carry, yet tough enough for demanding tasks. The Roxi 3 features a 3.14-inch Wharncliffe blade made from CPMS 35VN stainless steel, known for its excellent edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. A stone-washed finish adds durability while maintaining a sleek look. The blade deploys smoothly with a flipper tab running on a ceramic ball bearing pivot, ensuring fast and effortless opening. Its titanium handle, enhanced with a steel lock bar insert, offers lightweight strength and a reliable frame lock system for security during use. At 7.2 inches overall and weighing just 4.5 ounces, the Roxi 3 balances portability with cutting power. Stylish, durable, and precise, it's a standout option for knife enthusiasts and serious EDC users alike. The off-grid Stinger XL is a heavy-duty folding knife built for those who need maximum strength and cutting power in an EDC or tactical tool. Featuring a massive 4-inch blade crafted from tough 1.5 steel with a tumbled black finish, it delivers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability for hard use. The wide drop point design provides versatility for slicing, piercing, and rugged outdoor tasks. Its blade deploys rapidly, with a flipper tab riding on smooth ceramic ball bearings, locking securely with a strong liner lock. The handle is constructed from textured G10 scales, ensuring a comfortable, non-slip grip even in wet conditions. Measuring 9.25 inches overall, the Stinger 40 is a full-sized powerhouse that feels solid in hand without being overly bulky. Complete with a deep carry pocket clip and ambidextrous design, it's a reliable choice for survival, tactical use, or everyday heavy-duty carry. The Benchmade Mini Barrage 585 is a compact yet powerful folding knife that blends everyday carry convenience with tactical reliability. Featuring a 2.91-inch drop-point blade made from premium CPMS3 OV stainless steel, it offers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness for demanding tasks. Benchmade's patented Axis Assist mechanism ensures lightning-fast, one-handed deployment, making it a trusted choice in urgent situations. The Valox handle with stainless steel liners provides strength while maintaining a lightweight feel, paired with an ergonomic design that guarantees a secure, comfortable grip. At just 6.91 inches overall and weighing 3.4 ounces, the Mini Barrage is highly portable without compromising cutting performance. A reversible pocket clip enhances discreet carry for both right and left-handed users. Built in the USA and backed by Benchmade's LifeSharp service, the Mini Barrage 585 is a versatile folder that excels as a dependable EDC and a self-defense option. The Gerber Empower Automatic is a high-performance tactical folder designed for fast deployment and everyday reliability. Featuring a 3.25-inch CPMS3 OV stainless steel blade, it delivers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability. The blade is finished with black oxide coating, reducing glare and adding an extra layer of protection. With a push-button automatic opening mechanism, the Empower ensures rapid one-handed deployment, making it ideal for self-defense and emergency situations. The armored grip tack handle, made from anodized aluminum with a textured inlay, provides a secure grip even in wet conditions. A plunge lock mechanism keeps the blade safely locked in place during use. Designed and built in the USA, the Gerber Empower Automatic blends rugged performance with sleek aesthetics, making it an excellent choice for military personnel, law enforcement, and everyday carry users who need a dependable, quick-deploying blade at their fingertips. The Hogue EX-A01 is a premium automatic folding knife designed for tactical and everyday carry. Engineered for durability, speed, and precision, this knife features a 3.5-inch or 4-inch blade, depending on the variant, crafted from 1.5 stainless steel, known for its edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness. The blade comes in a drop point or tauntaun style, offering versatility for cutting, piercing, and slicing tasks. Equipped with push-button automatic deployment, the EX-A01 ensures rapid one-handed opening, making it ideal for emergency and tactical situations. The safety lock mechanism prevents accidental deployment, adding to its reliability. Its ergonomic aluminum handle, available in multiple finishes, provides a secure and comfortable grip, even under tough conditions. Whether for self-defense, military, or outdoor survival, the Hogue EX-A01 delivers high-performance cutting power and rapid deployment, making it a top choice for professionals and knife enthusiasts. The SOG Pentagon OTF is a premium out-the-front automatic knife engineered for tactical professionals and enthusiasts seeking reliability and swift deployment. It features a 3.79-inch double-edged spearpoint blade, crafted from Cryo CPMS3 5VN stainless steel, renowned for its exceptional toughness and edge retention. The blade is finished with a black titanium night ride coating, enhancing its durability and providing a sleek, non-reflective surface. The handle is constructed from hard anodized 6061T6 aluminum, offering both strength and a comfortable grip. A standout feature of this knife is SOG's dynamic locking system, which ensures rapid blade deployment and secure lockup, minimizing blade play. The oversized slide button facilitates ambidextrous operation, allowing for quick and reliable access even under stress. Designed with input from military and law enforcement professionals, the SOG Pentagon OTF delivers a robust and dependable tool suitable for high-stakes situations where performance is paramount. The zero-tolerance 0350 is a compact beast built for heavy-duty performance and serious reliability. Featuring a 3-point to 5-inch S3OV stainless steel blade with a durable black coating, it offers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and a slightly recurved edge for enhanced slicing power. This knife opens fast and smooth thanks to the SpeedSafe assisted opening mechanism, activated via a flipper or thumb studs. Its textured G10 handle scales ensure a rock-solid grip even in wet or gloved conditions, while the sturdy liner lock keeps the blade securely in place during tough tasks. The 0350 is built like a tank, but still manageable for everyday carry, weighing around 6.2 ounces and boasting an overall open length of 7.6 inches. With a 4-position pocket clip for versatile carry options, the ZT0350 is a no-nonsense folding knife made for users who demand reliability, strength, and tactical performance in a compact package.